So I've got a new watch here. Like I need any more. It's the Seiko SRP 779 J Turtle. And I got it from Gnomon Watches in Singapore. It's my second watch from them. It took under a week to arrive at my door. And it comes with a NATO strap. I think that's something that they're doing. It's a new thing that they're doing. And out of the box, the watch looks great. The chapter ring lines up quite nicely. Now I got to admit, I wanted an SRP 777, which is black on black, black bezel insert on black dial. But I figured the two watches, the 777 and the 779, share the black dial, so I can always swap out the insert later if I wanted something a little different. Now the 436 movement is definitely an upgrade from my 7S26 powered SKX 009, which I've now flipped. And the 45mm case and the 47mm lug-to-lug measurement make it a larger wear on the wrist, especially on my 6.5-inch wrist. But nothing is overhanging and it wears just fine, I think. The stock Seiko strap, the silicone strap, is a little bit of a lint magnet, which is something I've heard a lot about. So I ordered a couple straps from Marathon. One of them is their diver watch rubber strap, and it's really quite nice. It doesn't have a pre-curve like the Seiko one does. It's a little bit flat, and you got to kind of coax it around your wrist. It's kind of like putting a garden hose around your wrist or something like that. But it's quite comfy once you have it on, and it's not quite as long, and I don't think I'll have to cut it down or anything crazy. I'm really liking the plain old black nylon strap somehow. I think it just lets the Pepsi bezel stand out more. One thing about these straps though is they are pretty long. So here I just cut the Marathon nylon strap down to my size. I trimmed the end so that it's just peeking out of the large keeper down by the buckle. And I think it looks fine. I didn't really like the look of the Turtle's cushion case for a long time, which is why I owned the more subtle SKX. I knew one function of the Turtle design is its comfort on the wrist given its size and heft. Function tends to win me over at the end of the day, but I also grew fond of the look as well. Go figure. So I also tried an old collar rub strap on this watch, and I think it looks really good. In fact, I've been wearing the collar rub strap on my Turtle for the last week or so. So what do you think of the NATO strap? I find they ride a little high on the wrist, but I think this NATO strap looks really good. I might be trying that on in the summer at some point. So just a short video on this strap hog of a watch, as I'd call it. The Seiko Turtle 779, and this is the J model. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and leave a comment below. Just tell me about your experiences with this watch and what you think of it. And we'll talk soon. Bye.